getting some looks, but I love it. All my boys waiting for the train, sleeping, taking a nap, preparing themselves for the long journey to Bombay. Hello, sir. This guy's calling me over. Let's see what he wants. See what he got. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. What do you have? What's the best thing here?
First, limbu chawal, curd rice, veg biryani, egg biryani, chicken
You have
biryani,
something
dinner.
small, samosa?
Samosa.
Okay, I'll try one samosa.
Just samosa. Getting a parcel.
Let's see what they got. Fresh samosa. Eating. How much is samosa?
20 rupees, 2 numbers.
20 rupees.
25.
Oh, 25. We heard the man. 50 rupees. Or 2 samosas. Let's see. So what is samosa? Potato. Potato in here. Yes, potato. Okay. So we're gonna try a samosa for the second time. My boys are getting me the change. So 25 rupees for this thing right here. Okay, Nandri.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nandri. Alright, let's try it out. A samosa. Here in the train station. Got some type of sauce right here. And let's have our first bite. Not too bad. Kind of cold actually. The one I had yesterday was fresh and hot. But it's got like a potato texture. It looks like there's some corn in it and a nice chili sauce. How are you? I'll see you again. How are you? You good? Nice to see you. It's my man from the train earlier. He saw me again.
Yeah, gentlemen, what one?
How are you?
Fine.
What do you have?
What do you have? Tea, coffee, biryani,
Chai?
chai.
Ah.
Bola ji.
Ah. Hi. Okay.
Which country?
California, USA.
California.
USA. You from Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
Ah, Tamil.
Of course.
Ah, Nandri.
Nandri.
Nandri. Bye bye.
Bye. See you again.
Bye.
Bola ji.
Hi. Hello, sir. You have coffee or chai?
Coffee, chai.
Coffee? Coffee? Or chai? Chai. Okay.
Chai and coffee.
Oh, chai and coffee. Oh, okay. Nandri. I don't want coffee. I'll take a chai though. I'll be wired if I have coffee at this hour. It's quite early, but I'm not too much of a coffee guy. Skilled man. Look at this guy. Skilled. Call me over. Huh? Rickshaw? No rickshaw. I walk. Walking.
Where are you going?
Ah, I don't know. I just take a walk. Where are you going?
Rickshaw, tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk. How much rickshaw to Tinagar?
Tinagar, which place?
Tinagar metro station. Bus station. But metro
Tinagar,
station.
bus stand.
How much? How many rupee?
450.
Huh?
450.
What?
450.
I don't know. What number? 4? 100? 200? How many rupee?
450.
150?
450.
Oh, that's an outrage. That's a ripoff, man. Don't be scamming. That's an outrage. It should be 100 rupees. Zip that. That's an outrage. That's too high.
How much?
100 rupee. 100 rupees, sir. I'm Indian. 100 rupee. 100 rupee.
400 give me.
No. My man is charging me 4 times the price over here. On Uber in the local taxi app, it's about 75 rupees. No, an outrage.
How much?
100 rupee. 4 times the price. Hello, sir. How are you? Cheers, man. Cheers. Alrighty. Funny people over here in Chennai. How you doing, gentlemen? How are you? Good. 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 Taxi. Tinagar. Tinagar. How much? Huh? Alright, good. Okay. 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 You go okay? Alright. The boys saw the camera and they got shy. As soon as they called me over and I turned the camera on them, they stopped talking. Let's see what we got going over here. All the locals doing their thing. Hello. Hello. Hello, bro. What's up, bro? How are you? You good? Yeah? Yes, yes, yes. English? You speak English, yeah?
Yes.
Oh. Where are you from?
India.
India.
Yes.
Chennai.
Bihar.
Huh?
Bihar. Chennai.
Yeah. Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings, no? Oh.
Nice look.
Nice look.
Brother, tell me your YouTube ID.
Yes, YouTube. I got YouTube. Yes, yes. That's me, bro.
Okay.
That's me. That's me.
Subscribe.
Hey, thank you, bro. My man, Nandri. Shukriya ji. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you, sir. The boys want to subscribe to the channel. They're embracing it. You got to see it. You got to love it. My boys over here working, and my ladies working hard. New tile, huh? All the locals coming off the buses and the trains. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Everyone's going to work, going to school, coming home, going to see family, doing what they do. Hello. It's bustling over here, I'll tell you that. Loads of people here in Chennai right now. When I first arrived, there was no one here. But now it's completely packed. They must have saw a few trains must have came in.
Here is Chennai railway station. There some look people. There is big and a big building. And what I'm saying.
Yes, my guy. He wanted in.
Brother,
Thank you.
My brother is my brother.
Hey.
Brother, upload this video in YouTube.
Hey,
Okay?
yes,
I
sir.
subscribe.
Hey, what's up, bro? They're back. They're back again. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, say signing off. Signing off.
Okay.
Say it. I'll see you tomorrow. Say it.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Selfie.
Okay, selfie time. Y'all want to take selfie? Cheers, bro. Selfie time.
Selfie.
Okay.
Okay.